Hey everybody, it's Bryan with the Bound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about image blocks and particularly about how to round off the corners, round off the edges of the image blocks. So let's jump right over to my screen and I'll show you how to do this step by step. Let's get right into this here. We'll go into edit mode and then we'll scroll down and you'll see we have an image here that has the perfectly squared off 90-degree corners on it. And then you scroll a little further down and we have a contact form that has a background here. You can see there it has the rounded edges to it. So same thing with this image that's right here. So you would want to actually move it down and maybe shrink it up a little bit. I'm gonna move myself out of the way here. But let's grab that, move that in, and we can actually bring that down. And we can take this and move it over. Maybe move that down one, two more, make it match up with the form there. We'll stretch it out to be the same length as the form there. Now, but again, you see that this image has 90-degree corners on it. So you want to have it match what you have on your contact form here. And the same thing with this one. All you have to do is click on the image block, click on the pencil there to go into the image blocks settings, and then you would click on design. And then you have the option here to, this is going to apply the same radius on each corner. And if you click here on this with the, you can see each corner there highlighted. You can actually select the corner radius for each individual corner of the four corners there, or you can do it all the same. So generally, unless you have a specific design on these images and things, you're going to probably want all corners to be the same. So we would just, the border radius on the contact form down there is 20. And so we would want to set that to 20 as well. So, and you can tell that by clicking on the contact form and then going into design on it. And you see that the corner radius on it is 20 pixels as well. So we'd want to do the same thing on this image here. Again, click the pencil once we've clicked on the image block, and then go into design, and then we turn that corner radius into 20. Click off, and we click save, and that is that. That's all there is to it. If you found that useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.